Hello guys, welcome back to another train review. Today we are at Lancaster on the West Coast Main Line. Here we got a double pairing of Class 70s on a service I do not know. 7E807 and 7E803. On a service from, I believe, Carnforth to somewhere. 66421. On a freight service from somewhere to somewhere. on a freight service to somewhere. Here comes a 156 483 on a northern service from Morecambe to Lancaster. Here goes 195126. Nice one tone there. On a northern service to Windermere from Lancaster Airport. Here comes a Class 70. 7E812 on a log train from somewhere to somewhere.